Hi and welcome guys, this is JNM with a new UFPS tutorial about letting your enemy patrol using the navmesh agents. I created some patrol points to the level. These are just empty game objects, for which I added these gizmo icons so that I can see the labels. The soldier can use these points for patrolling. You can see this here. The soldier script has an array of patrol points now. Just define the size and drag the points from the hierarchy to the particular slots. And that's all you have to do. But before I show you the script, let's start the game to see the patrolling of the enemies in action. I split the screen to see the gameplay on the left side and the scene editor on the right side. Okay, now one soldier is patrolling cause he has the patrol points attached. The animation is running. This should be changed perhaps to walking, but for the sake of this tutorial, that's fine. Now the soldier has a distance to the player, so that he is leaving his patrolling state and he's following and attacking us. And the other soldiers don't have patrol points, so they are standing on their positions and start to follow the player when his distance to them is lower than a defined value. You remember the attack and follow distance variables. Now I'm dead. Okay, now you can go ahead and assign patrol points to the other soldiers as well. Like for this one here, I assign point 2 and 3. Also check if the stopping distance is not too high. I set it here to 1. This should work. Then I start again, and as you can see, 2 soldiers are patrolling now. Okay, now let's have a look at the soldier C# script. I just extended the one from the previous part with the patrolling logic. I added an array of transforms for the points, and the current point index I store as a member variable of type int. In the awake method, I call a new method called move to next point, which checks if there are patrol points defined. Then the destination of the navmesh agent is set to the current patrol point, and the index is increased by 1. I use the modular operator with the length of the points to make sure that the index starts again from 0 when it is greater than the number of defined points. In the update method, I introduce a new boolean patrol flag. This is set by a boolean expression that is only true if the player is not following, not shooting, and if there are any patrol points defined. The enemy also won't stop if patrol is set to false, and if patrol is set to true, the path pending and remaining distance is checked to see if we have to move to the next patrol point. In the end, I enable the run animation if follow or patrol is set to true, and as I said, it would make sense in my opinion to add a new walk animation instead of running when the character is patrolling. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Here's a little bit of gameplay just for fun. So guys, I hope you find this tutorial interesting and useful. The script is again uploaded to my Patreon account, get it for free, and please consider supporting me there to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon here on JNM.